What's up, guys? In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to install Steam on your Windows computer. So the first thing you need to do is go to your favorite web browser, open it up, and then go to the Steam website homepage. That should be store.steampowered.com. I'll leave a link to this website down in the description below. Now, this is the official Steam website. Now, when you're here, whether you're logged in or not, doesn't really matter. The important thing is this install Steam button. So that's what you want to click on. And when you click on it, Steam will quickly identify the operating system you have, and you can see it's prepared a Windows download for me. Of course, this is also available for your Mac, and I'll leave a link to that video in the description below as well. Anyway, click on Install Steam. And from the dialog box, select where you want to save your Steam installer. I'm going to save mine on the desktop just for easy demonstration, and click on Save and allow the Steam installer to be downloaded onto your computer. Now, once the download is complete, you can exit your browser and go to where you saved your installer. Here's mine since I selected desktop. If you can't find yours, then go back to your browser and find the specific download and click on Show in Folder, and then you should find it there. Either way, go ahead and double click on the Steam installer and then click Yes to allow, and the Steam setup wizard will pop up on your screen. Go ahead and click on Next. Make sure you choose the language you want. It's going to detect your computer's language by default. Go ahead and click on Next. You can change your destination folder if you have to, but you don't really need to. So click on Install. And it's as simple as that. It's complete. You can now go ahead and click on Finish. So Steam will launch automatically and of course start updating the application as soon as possible. Now at this point you can already see the Steam icon on your desktop just next to the installer. Now since you've already installed, you can go ahead and delete that installer file just to keep your desktop tidy and leave the Steam launch icon there and allow it to update. When the update is complete, Steam will launch automatically, and from here you can now go ahead and sign into your account or even create a new account if you don't have a Steam account yet. If you have a pre-existing account, then simply click on that and log in with your username and password. You might be required to verify your identity, so go ahead and do that. And there you go. Installing Steam on your Windows computer is as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.